Hello and welcome to this episode of the Sound Workout. Today we're looking at two double vowels, I and oi. So as you can see on the left, we've got those two mouth positions that represent the beginning and the end of this sound. So when I make the I sound, at the beginning the mouth is hanging open a little. It's quite relaxed, but towards the end with the E, you can see the mouth is more spread. The corners of the mouth are pulled towards your ears, the teeth are closer together. So to make this sound, we have to move from the first to the second position, nice and fluidly. I. It's the same principle with the sound on the right, the oi. We're moving from the initial O to the I at the end, oi. But as you can see, the beginning of this sound is a little more pinched. The lips, there's more kind of tension, they're pushed forward a little, and the opening at the front of the mouth is smaller. Oi. I on the left and oi on the right. So those are the two sounds we're contrasting in this video. So we'll work through a set of 6 exercises to really get you practicing moving from one to the other to help you to control these sounds. So we'll start with a nice straightforward listen and repeat. We'll do this entire exercise 3 times. So just listen to me reading it and I'll leave a gap for you to repeat what you've heard. Let's go. I. 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 Oi. 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 Oi, 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 oi. And then doubled up. I, oi, oi. I, oi, oi. I, oi, oi. And the other way round. Oi, oi, I. Oi, oi, I. Oi, oi, I. And now alternating. I, oi, oi. I, oi, oi. I, oi, oi. And finally, the other way round. Oi, oi, I. Oi, oi, I. Oi, oi, I. Fantastic, well done. So, as always, if you found this video useful, feel free to click like to support the channel. If you click subscribe, it means that you can stay up to date with new videos. And of course, you could check out the playlist. There are lots of other sound workouts for you to practice with. If you've got any special requests for videos that you would like to see, or if you just want to leave a comment, then feel free to leave those below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.